What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I had some editing errors or something. It was really weird with YouTube. They're having some like processing errors, but I want to do a speed run on Wendys stock. I'll go over the dividend schedule, and this is a really good dividend stock for the dividend growth investing strategy. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. This is a speed run I'm doing. I'm going to do a stock analysis and dividend stock analysis. So make sure you hit that notification bell, smash that like button. Let's check this stock out right now. So Wendys stock is a fast food stock that I find very attractive. I did own them at one point. Right now, they're struggling against the S&P. They're sitting at $21.10 with a dividend yield of 2.37, PE ratio of 23.63, market cap is 4.58 billion US dollars. Its year range is 2006 to 2946. Its day range is 2098 to 2150, and its previous close was 2126. So what has me interested in these guys? First of all, they're on advertisement like crazy now on TV. Another thing is, they're a fast food restaurant, and they're generating a ton of revenue, which I'll reveal to you. So financially, 2014, this is in millions US dollars, 1998, 1870, 1435, 1,223, then 1,589, then 1,709, then 1,733. So the past few years, their trends have done very well from 2017 to 2020, which makes these guys very attractive. And they are expanding as a company, and plus they're an Ohio-based company. So these guys have a lot of tradition with the fast food industry, and they're pretty cheap. They're a cheap dividend stock, less than $30. And I'm going to go over their dividend history and as well as their dividend hikes. Look at these dividend hikes in these guys. 2012, it's 4 cents. 2013, 5 cents. 2016, it hit 6 cents. 2017, 7 cents. And then it hit 8 cents in 2018. 2019, it hit 10 cents. And then 2020 hit 12 cents. Pandemic hits, they hit 5 cents, then 7 cents. And then they're back to 12 cents, and they're at just about 12.5 cents with a dividend yield of 2.35%, a PE ratio of 23.71, $21.10, and the annual dividend of 50 cents. So I just want to do a speed run for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Dividend. You guys have a good one, and I will post a video Tuesday.